Ah bah ils en ont refait un, je l'ai pas vu.
What's up? I'm Nut.
Ah,
Happy
là
Valentine's
on
Day, and
parle.
welcome back to Swipe or Swap.
5
Not
ans
only is it
d'étrangers se
Valentine's
swipe.
Day, but it's also the 1-year anniversary of season 1 of the show. Aw.
What you here for?
Bla bla bla. Elle c'est la droite là, méchante. Hein. Par contre la phase qu'elle a fait au gars, je m'en rappelle encore.
Hi, I'm Ben.
We're not married.
No, we're not
We're
married.
not married.
Ce couple là aussi je m'en rappelle.
Happy birthday, Swipe or Swap. They're not allowed to fire me. 20 time. Starting.
Il y a 50 étrangers, ils se swipe, oui, non. Et s'ils mettent oui, ils sont ensemble. S'ils mettent non, ils sont pas ensemble. Bien évidemment, je peux un peu me libérer hein, pendant ce genre de contenu, puisque c'est le but de ces vidéos-là. Personnellement, non. Et je me mets toujours du point de vue de l'homme qui met oui ou non pour la femme. C'est que c'est un homme. Voyez pas les couilles. Bon, j'ai dit non pour la Renoir et je vais dire oui pour elle et on va m'attraper. C'est ça le vrai problème. C'est ça le vrai problème. Oui. Et ça n'a rien à voir avec une potentielle couleur de peau ou Snow Bunny ou Milkman ou je ne sais quoi. Voilà quoi. Oui, ça a déjà été demandé. La réponse a déjà été donnée, mais il se passe quoi pour Melchior? Moi, il live plus, il sort plus de vidéos. Je viens de voir une nouvelle chaîne où il fait du casino tous les jours. Comment il en est arrivé là? Eh bah, pour quelqu'un qui est proche de lui, franchement, il vit sa meilleure vie. Il est trop heureux. Donc, tant mieux pour lui. Il fait du sport, il fait son taf, il fait de l'argent. Ça me fait un peu peur. Ah. Oui. Comme mettre oui, il est pas con. Il est con. Ah, il est con. Ah, maintenant, il doit faire les yeux fermés, c'est ça?
Talk to me in round 1. This time around, we had you close your eyes when you were swiping.
Je vous mets
Hated that.
les
Because
sous-titres.
last time I really did. I did like, I will admit, like, I stared at them and I was like, I feel like I can tell what they're thinking. And last time I did match, like, completely the same every single time. Every time I said no, they said no. And the one time I said yes, he said yes. So I think it was easy for me to, like, tell people, like, what they're thinking stuff. So closing my eyes, I was like, now I'm by myself.
Elle a les yeux fermés, je sais pas trop. Oh, pourquoi pas, en vrai? Pourquoi pas? À voir. Waouh! C'est mon âme qui a parlé. C'est mon âme qui a parlé. Alors là, il a mis non! Carrément! C'est bêtise là encore là. C'est bêtise là encore là. Ça va m'énerver bêtement là. Ça va m'énerver bêtement ici là. Ça... Ah! Vas-y, j'ai rien à dire. Ouais, j'ai rien à dire. J'ai pas vu sa tête, hein, mais... Elle a 12 ans, elle.
I would have swiped right on the cowboy hat. Cowgirl Colleen.
Il y a des petites lettres anonymes.
So we matching or what? Winky face, LOL, XO.
Il en a eu 2.
With heart, me what? Girl with the black dye. Hi.
C'est quoi la maladie quand t'as pas de dents en haut, là? C'est une maladie, on est d'accord. Ou je suis fou. Ou c'est peut-être t'as pas de dents partout. Je sais plus. On dirait qu'elle a pas de dents là-haut. Ouais, comme le gars dans Stranger Things, là. Elle a pas de dents. Bah, j'ai l'impression qu'elle en a pas là-haut. C'est méchant ce pantalon, hein. Eh, j'aurais mis oui. Alors oui. Grand oui, hein. Maintenant, je sais pas ce qu'il voit pour mettre non, pour le coup. Faites un sondage, les modos, dans le chat, s'il vous plaît. Elle. Mettez oui, non, on voit le pourcentage. S'il vous plaît. J'aurais mis oui. Énorme oui. C'est vraiment le milkman ultime. Il dit oui, il n'y a aucune noire. Vous voyez comment vous prenez tout ce que vous voulez pour en faire une narrative? Il y a une tismée, j'ai dit oui. Mais vas-y, un seul noir, s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Je vais rien dire.
I was here last time, and I actually got a match. It was cool.
And what else have you been on?
I was on Nectar House with the person behind the camera. Dating Celebrity Doppelgangers, I was on that one. Yeah, they brought me back for this one, so I'm excited. Hope I get a match.
Yeah.
We'll see.
On a tout vu là? On a vu tous les builds. Et c'est de ma faute. Voilà. Mais il y a un problème dans la matrice. Parce qu'elle a des cuisses en plus. Il y a un bug. Il y a un bug de texture. Attendez. Non. Ouais. Je sais pas, il y a quelque chose qui me... c'est l'énergie. C'est le personnage principal ou quoi, lui? Elle va attendre que un homme blanc plus que moyen arrive.
But I'm a little nervous.
Me too.
Il était un peu trop beau. Elle veut plus moyen encore que ça. Les noirs spirituels, ils aiment trop ces espèces de cardigans qui tombent bas comme ça, là. Comment ça s'appelle? Oui, elle, j'aurais dit oui. 2 fois oui. Le premier! Enfin!
Hi.
Wow.
Oh, this one has a little like
Yeah, that's so cute.
decorative. The fastest match in the West. Can't wait to get lost in your eyes some more after this. To my girl Nicole, will you be my habibi this Valentine's Day? And don't text me. Okay.
Sa robe, elle est bien, mais je sais pas pourquoi elle a des Air Force One, c'est vrai. C'est vrai qu'elle est habillée comme une meuf qui crie dans le bus, c'est vrai. Mais je suis peut-être fou, hein, parce que deux gars, les deux ont dit non. Wesh, elle est grande de ouf, elle, attends. Elle est grande de ouf, elle a les épaules larges de ouf aussi, là. Ah ah.
Oh my gosh.
Oui.
Wait! Oh, stop. Everyone's. Hey, could you eat a snare? Should have the first month.
I'm so sorry.
Attends quoi, mon gars? Des grosses lunettes, là.
It's the girl with the colored pants. I want the colored pants.
T'attends juste un match-up précis, mon gars, tu vas être là longtemps. Hein.
Colored pants.
Tu vas être là très longtemps. Hein. Mais en plus, elle arrive, elle a entendu. Mon gars, tu peux pas. Il y a une meuf qui arrive devant toi, tu fais des. Oh mon gars, non, s'il te plaît, reste un peu concentré. Après, je te comprends. Je le comprends. Je le comprends. Et là, elle le skip. Elle veut tellement up. Elle veut tellement up. Oh des étoiles dans les yeux. Il a jamais vu de meuf de sa vie. C'est une streameuse, elle. J'ai l'impression que je l'ai déjà vue sur Twitch. Idiot, andouille. Neuil que tu es. Tes grosses lunettes, son gros crâne, là. Son gros crâne, là. Bien. Mais évidemment, si c'était moi, elle aurait dit oui. Envoyez-moi son Instagram, s'il vous plaît. Il est où son Insta, là? Mettez des chapeaux. Mettez des chapeaux. Regardez juste. Oh la kill streak. Elle est à 1 du missile Predator. Elle est à 1 de la sanguinaire. Wesh. Sanguinaire. Plus que 2 avant l'arrière. Oh là là, ce blanc est venu stopper la streak. C'est pas une question de couleur de peau, celui qui a dit premier message dans le chat, elle aime pas les Renois. Elle a skip autant de blancs qu'elle a vu de Renois. Elle m'attend juste moi. Ça que vous comprenez pas. Elle m'attend moi, c'est moi qu'elle attendait là. Mais désolé, je n'étais pas là ce jour-là. J'étais pas là, malheureusement. Mais on va se croiser un jour ou l'autre. Ce n'est pas une menace. Ça peut sonner comme une... Ça peut sonner comme une menace. Il n'y a que les montagnes qui ne se croisent pas. C'est un jour. Tranquille, dans ces émissions-là,
when
oui.
I go out with my girlfriends and, you know, we might be trying to meet people, I tend to not get chatted up by people. And I'm usually like, I sit back in the background and watch my friends have people approach them. And usually...
C'est ce que je dis, mais attendez-moi. Mais elle ne sait pas encore le jeu que je propose, c'est pour ça. C'est parce que c'est des tocards, les autres. Ils sont allés draguer ses potes et pas elle, c'est des tocards.
like background and watch.
Zumise. « 700 000 followers. Exclusive content. Ah. Ah bon? Ah, on dirait pas. Exclusive content. Here you find exclusive content, ASMR audio, direct messaging, daily updates. Goddamn. Argentine, Brésil. Ouais, c'est pour moi. Ouais, c'est pour moi. Mon bag. C'est moi, ça.
Watch my friends have people approach them, and usually, like, nothing for me. And so, to my surprise, being up there for multiple people in a row, it was just very different and very unexpected.
Tellement envie qu'elle m'étrangle, nous dit Sénérich, sociopathe. Wow.
And I just didn't really know. I was like, the whole time, I was like, I don't know what to do.
Mais oh non, ça fait... La vidéo, il y a 13 minutes, les chunks qui veulent toujours pas load, là. Wesh. Wesh. Quel genre de RTX, ça, encore? Et c'est bon. Étranglement, claque, tout sauf crachat quand même. Le ramadan s'est terminé depuis 2 jours. Il y en a, vous êtes nés directement, vous êtes revenus au galop. Parce que je voyais pas de messages comme ça, là, pendant les dernières semaines. Ah ouais. Ah ouais. Non, bien. Bien. Oui. C'était pas du suspense comme ça. Si ce Neuil mange ça, là, je vais crash out. Si ce Neuil gère cette latina, je vais crash out. Ça fait 60 swipes. 60 swipes. Il n'y a pas eu de match. Si c'est ce œil, alors là. C'est encore heureux. Encore heureux. Ça me va un peu plus. Ça me va un peu plus, vas-y. Ça a baglé deux latinas, là.
Outfit, good style, and he has a beautiful smile, too. I hope on the date he's really good at conversation and talking, kind and funny. I love when people are funny.
As soon as Gigi came up, I knew right away that she was my type. Just her qualities and her dark hair, dark eyes kind of matches me a little bit.
Ah, là, on va pouvoir voir. Non. Non, je passe mon tour. Elle est plus imposante que moi alors qu'on a le même build en fait. C'est ça le problème. Si une meuf elle est plus imposante que moi et c'est... T'as capté. Pourquoi pas? Là on a le même build tous les deux, wesh. C'est moi en plus grand, plus large. Après je sais pas les autres ils font quelle taille en comparaison. J'ai l'impression qu'elle fait au moins 1m80, hein. 2-3. Hein. Elle a v'là abusé sur le blush. Hein. Alors là... Waouh, bien rouge, hein. Ouais, elle a une prestance quand même. Ah ben vous voyez pas, il y a ma tête par-dessus. Hein. En vrai, elle a une prestance quand même, hein, la madame. Hein. C'est pas pour moi, mais elle a une prestance. Je tiens à dire que en tant que comme noir, je me sens obligé de le dire, le roster de femmes noires qui est proposé est déplorable, voilà. J'aurais aimé plus, j'aurais aimé différents styles de jeu, différentes approches. Vous pouvez me dire clipper, c'est vrai, elle. Voilà, je suis désolé. Je suis désolé parce que moi, grand ami et amoureux des femmes noires, je n'y trouve pas mon compte. Je n'y trouve pas mon compte, malheureusement. Donc, voilà. J'aimerais qu'on fasse mieux pour les prochaines fois, s'il vous plaît, Nectar. Par contre, les hommes noirs, ils sont vraiment très frais, eux tous, pour le coup. Ah, même lui, là. Tout ça pour finir solo en plus, idiot. Mon gars, lâche ça, wesh. T'es bête ou quoi? Toi aussi? Toi, par contre, mais oui. Toi, par contre, mais oui. Je sais déjà. Ok, non, my bad. Je sais pas ce qu'elle veut, alors. Peut-être elle attend un Asiate, hein. Il y avait des hommes asiates? J'attends de voir si elle a des dents du haut. Après, je vous dis si je dis oui ou pas. Mais j'ai l'impression qu'elle en a pas. Attends, mais elle, on l'a pas encore vue, elle.
For people who might be wondering, can you give us a little update on what happened after last season?
Dernière saison, il
last
était
season,
en
I
match
met
avec qui, lui?
Gianna, and everything was cool. We went out a couple of times, probably a couple weekends for like a
Elle. Non, j'avoue, c'était méchant.
month and a half, I think.
Ouais,
And
c'était
then
méchant.
ultimately, she decided she wasn't ready for a relationship. So it happens.
Mon passé de... Je me cache à dire.
I had peeped this man from the jump. I literally was like, yeah, he's really handsome. And so us
Non, elle est
matching was
mignonne.
definitely just icing on the cake. He's like my type. Like I've
Elle est
definitely gone
mignonne.
for guys like this, so we'll see where it goes. But the overall is the cowboy boots. I think it kind of just like swept me away, and I was like, yeah, he looks good.
Mais l'autre, elle était quand même... Ah non, en vrai, oui. Oui. Attends, il a mis no à qui, là? Lui, il a mis 2 stops. Elle, j'aurais mis oui aussi en soi. J'aurais mis oui aussi. Elle, je sais pas si elle est cambrée ou si juste waouh, mais waouh. Ah, le bâtard. 2 recales, into but. Ronaldo chop. Chop de l'autre côté. Il enroule après. Non, c'est fort.
Love note is for you.
Braquage, il a rien braqué du tout là. Hein. Il en a recal 2 avant.
It says, I'm glad we matched and I'm excited for our date. Yes, your voice is very sweet and we should go to Tenants during the daytime because it's a cute coffee shop. And then you put a tic-tac-toe game.
Oh, cute.
Ah, il en a recal 3. Enlève ta main, enlève ta main. Enlève ta main, idiot andouille que tu es. T'es bête ou quoi? Bon, par contre, elle commence à casser les couilles. Elle commence à me casser les couilles. Oh non. C'est bon, elle va... Un autre drone. Un petit drone, là. Elle a le droit, suceur.
Okay, Laura. Laura, I was disappointed you swiped left on me. Just want to get to know you from tall guy. I'm sorry. Were you interested or just not really? I mean, I thought he was cute.
Pourquoi t'as mis non alors si tu pensais qu'il était cute? J'ai pas compris la démarche. Mais ce cowboy, je pensais qu'il aurait plus de succès que ça. Hein. En vrai. Elles ont pas la vision, moi je l'ai. Les femmes du chat, vous avez la vision ou pas? S'il y a une autre femme que UKO dans le chat? Je sais même pas s'il y a des femmes. Dernier match. Bon.
La rousse au bas noir, c'est une femme.
Je suis d'accord. Oh non, la seule noire dans les photos, elle a même pas de sourcils. Vas-y, il a abusé aussi, là. Je vois 38 hommes noirs, tous BG comme as, et il n'y a qu'une Renoir, une meuf. Il n'y a qu'une seule.
All right, now it's time for the one-on-one dates. At any point throughout the 5
dans une
minutes
sauce
speed date,
misogynoire. Au
both
contraire, moi, je veux qu'il y ait
contestants
plus de
have
femmes
the
noires.
opportunity to pick up the swap card.
Ok, là, ils font des dates 1v1. Si au bout de 2 minutes, ils veulent changer de personne, ils prennent une carte et ils changent de personne. Ou il y a une personne du public qui peut venir leur péter à
Halfway
leur
down
truc.
any date, each date on the
Why am I nervous?
J'aurais volé.
This is a lot of attention. Have you
Non, j'aurais même pas volé. Elle aurait swap pour me ramener moi.
been in the last 20 minutes since we last saw you?
Moi, je vole pas, moi.
Oh, you know, just chilling and talking with the guys.
You guys talking about all the great girls over here?
Yeah, we're just figuring out our love notes, you know?
Yeah, I love that. Well, I have a question for you. It's hypothetically speaking, like, this goes so great, and we go on a second date. Like, where would you take me?
I feel
Grec. Ah, j'ai faim d'un coup d'ailleurs. Je peux même pas me commander à graille sur mon téléphone, là, en plus. Je vais devoir me faire à manger. Oh lolo. Oh lolo. Team Poire, d'ailleurs, bien sûr, hein. On baise les pommes ici. Le fruit le plus surcoté de l'histoire. Moi, je l'ai dit et je le redis. Le fruit le plus surcoté de l'histoire, les pommes. La carrière de ce fruit, waouh! Waouh! C'est bon, hein, mais on en fait tout un plat. On en fait tout un plat. On va quand même le dire. C'est à vomir. Non, c'est pas à vomir, les pommes. Abuse pas non plus. Abuse pas non plus. Newton a donné une carrière aux pommes. Newton et le jardin d'Éden, hein. Parce que jure, franchement, dans tous les fruits que j'ai à disposition, la pomme, je mets pas ma main dessus directement. Et les tartes. Mais j'ai une tarte aux pommes ici, hein, premier degré. J'aime bien les pommes, hein. Mais vas-y, je préfère taper des fraises ou taper des clémentines ou taper des poires ou des bananes ou des ananas ou de la mangue. Il y a plein de trucs qui arrivent avant. Le jus de pomme, par contre, c'est très méchant. C'est très très méchant, le jus de pomme, c'est vrai.
On a nice beach date.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, maybe like a beach picnic or something.
Yeah, what type of food, drinks, what we're looking at on the menu?
I'd have to talk to you more about that. I don't know.
I like sushi.
Okay.
What's your favorite food?
I don't really like sushi, but
It's okay. Maybe I can change you. No, that's not.
Devant les bébés, tu dis jamais que t'aimes pas les sushis. Jamais, jamais, jamais. Même si t'aimes pas les sushis, tu dis pas devant une meuf. C'est pas possible. C'est pas possible, mon gars.
Never a good start. It's okay.
my favorite food is Mexican and Italian.
Ooh, spicy. I like that. What do you look for in like a girlfriend?
I want a girl that is honest, can communicate,
Il est pas très drôle, ce gars-là.
give equal effort,
Yeah.
and just has a bubbly personality. You know, can be goofy and match me.
Oh, that's cute. Yeah. I love someone
Oui, qu'on
ambitious,
vienne du pétard, là.
passionate about whatever it may be. It could be anything. Likes traveling too. Do you like traveling?
I love traveling.
Where's your favorite place you've been?
So far,
Boring.
I really like the beach, the tropical weather, because I grew up by the beach.
Have you always grown up by the beach, like since you were little? Do you surf?
I do surf, yeah.
Do you snowboard? Because it's kind of hand in hand, kind of, or no?
Of course, yeah.
I just learned how to snowboard, and I'm so, like, I want to go again. Like, now that I finally learned how to not fall and stop.
Maybe
It's
that
fun.
can be our second date.
Yeah, that's fun.
We'll see, we'll see.
Well, this is going great, but I might swap just because.
Ah, c'est bien ce que je pensais.
Great selection. It's a great selection.
C'est ce que je pensais, monsieur Cowboy, un peu de reconnaissance. Un peu de reconnaissance. Je me disais aussi.
But just to clarify, my date with him went really well. I just want to. Yeah, I just loved it.
How are you doing?
I'm good. What's your name?
Django.
Django?
Yeah, one more time your name?
Giselle.
Giselle, okay.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, for sure. So you were talking about like the whole second date type of thing, right, with him.
Oh yeah. What are you looking at? What do you have planned?
I love food. You know what I'm saying? I love to go out to like maybe not the nicest restaurant, right? But something that's like, okay, like we're gonna spend a little bit of money, you know, maybe go out after,
Yeah.
take a walk or something, you know. Just kinda hang out.
What,
You know what I mean?
what's your favorite food?
It's a toss up, you know. I love Italian food. I love Mexican food too, right?
My favorite food is Mexican and Italian.
Ooh, spicy. I like that.
Même
I
réponse.
love chicken. All right.
Like a chicken and rice type
Like
of thing?
chicken and rice, fried chicken, chicken and noodles. Like I love chicken. I don't know. That's just kind of me, right? But
I do like chicken too. I love chicken tenders.
Oh,
Can't
yeah.
go wrong with chicken
Yeah,
tenders at a
anywhere
bar
you-
with a nice little drink.
for
It's
sure.
fun.
Yeah.
It's always yummy.
Do you drink often? Do you drink a lot? No.
It depends. I like going out with my girlfriends every now and
Okay.
then, but I'm
Yeah.
also in school right now, so
Okay.
every now and then.
How's school going?
À chaque fois, j'ai un de ces retours à la réalité quand des gens dans des émissions parlent de comment ils vont à l'école ou quand ils disent leur âge. Comment ça, t'es à l'école? T'es plus vieux qu'elle? Elle a quel âge? Peut-être qu'elle a fait plein de premières années, etc. Et peut-être qu'elle est quand même plus vieille que moi.
It's going good. I'm in my first year at law school, actually, so.
Première année de droit, ouais, ça doit être une reconversion, c'est pour ça. Je pense. Ça doit être une reconversion.
It's a lot at times, but it's really fun. And everyone around me is such a yapper,
Yeah.
so it's great. Like I get to go to school and like socialize
I
a
feel
lot.
like that's a good thing though, being a yapper as a lawyer.
No, yeah.
As
a
long
lawyer,
as
it
you're
works.
yapping about the right things.
Yeah, and this is like helping with public speaking. Like I'm
For
like, this is
sure.
good, and this is so fun.
Yeah.
What do you like to do in your free time?
On my free time, I mean, I was always a basketball player. Love being in the gym and stuff like that, right? But when I do have time, I devote it to music. You know what I'm saying? I'm an artist.
Do you sing?
I sing and I rap, yeah.
Wow.
Elle préfère lui.
I like how she was speaking, the way she was able to communicate very easily. Think it's pretty cool that she's doing law and all that stuff. So it was good.
For me, I told myself like I want to get the full experience, and I wanted to like give the energy like it's okay to like swap and to figure it out, and I kind of wanted to have fun with it. I really did like Sean, but I wanted to do a swap. I was like, if I'm gonna be in a swipe or swap, like I'm gonna do it. I didn't mean to like hurt anyone's feelings, and I hope I didn't. I had a great time with both the boys, so yeah.
Will you
C'est
say
elle ma
yes
préférée
or
pour l'instant
no?
là.
I say yes.
Where do you think?
Elle, j'aime
Fernand
bien
is
là.
at?
J'aime bien l'énergie là.
I mean, if she swaps somebody for me, I feel it's a yes.
Okay, so we're gonna find out.
Okay.
So if it's a yes, she'll join you on the stage,
Okay.
and if not, we will go from there.
Okay.
Elle va se montrer pour aucun des deux. C'est cette meuf.
Okay, so I have to tell you, she actually said no.
It's okay.
Goddamn.
I mean, at the end of the day, think about it like this, right? She still didn't pick me off rip, so it makes sense, right? But I don't know. This is like a,
Are you saying yes to either of them?
Yes, I would say yes to Sean. I did
bon?
prefer my conversation with him. He seems very genuine and kind, and I liked that about him. Very respectful.
Okay,
Ah
so we're
bon?
gonna find out.
Mais lui, il a le seum de cette fait swap, non? Il a dit oui quand même.
Okay, so he did say no.
Aïe, 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 aïe.
Understandable.
Bah,
When
normal,
I
hein.
pulled the swap card, I feel like that could have
Bah,
hurt his
madame,
feelings.
on peut pas tout avoir comme
And
ça.
that
Hein.
could have made him say no.
I was
madame.
surprised. That was a little caught off guard, but you know, I don't hold her to it. Like, you can definitely, if someone else catches your eye, then by
Respectable, hein.
all means, you know, talk to them.
So I can tell you, she actually said yes.
Okay. we were vibing, so I don't know why she swapped though.
But I have to tell you, Django did say yes.
Oh, I am a little surprised, but I did hear a lot of people mentioning the cowboy and wanting to get to know him. So I am surprised he picked me, but that's cool. He's a cool guy.
Attention au
Okay,
contenu.
I have a
Respectable.
If you could be one age for the rest of your life, how old would you be?
I think I would
Huh?
choose 25 because
La réponse
I can
logique,
like
c'est
rent a
25.
car or like
Ah, that's a good
without
point.
the fees. I can do everything that I can
Ou
like all
24.
the other
Non, en
ages.
vrai,
It's
je
like
pense.
my peak, you know. I did turn 26 last week, so I'm past
Non,
that.
j'aurais dit 29.
What would you be?
I feel like maybe I would want to be a little bit older, maybe like 28. I
28.
feel like I would have like a little bit more
Ouais.
wisdom, but
Mhm.
still have my youth. Still be able to like go out and do things.
Yeah. Where would your dream home be and what would it look like?
Definitely by the beach.
Pas 29.
I love the
Ça
beach.
arrive.
Beautiful.
Maybe somewhere like really secluded. I went
Mature.
to like a very rural part of Italy once, and it was just really beautiful. Like
Yeah.
everybody like knew each other, tight knit, and there was lots of like farming going on and stuff like
That's
that.
beautiful.
So,
I was gonna say Italian countryside. with
yeah.
mine.
Okay, perfect.
Because have you seen Master of None?
I haven't.
Okay.
We'll
In the
have to
second
watch it.
season, we'll watch it together.
Perfect.
Yeah. In the second season, he goes to Italy, and like in the early episodes, he starts learning how to make pasta from this like Italian grandmother, and I thought that was incredible. I also want to make ramen from scratch, so I want to make the noodle.
Okay.
And I think that'd be fun.
Yeah, maybe like a second date activity or something.
Perfect. Okay, in this house, what interior style are you going for?
I love like a 60s like sort of like space age look.
Okay.
Yeah, I love vintage furniture. It's like an interesting.
D'ailleurs, le Ghibli, on va pas le regarder ce soir, je vais pas mentir. En fait, il est tard, du coup, je dois manger et je dois aller dormir. Malheureusement, je suis un vieil homme. Je suis désolé. J'ai un rythme, je vais le tenir. J'ai coupé le stream, je vais aller manger, je vais aller dormir. Eh oui.
Do you like thrifting as well?
Yeah, I love thrifting.
Hell yeah. Do you have a favorite spot in LA to go to?
Honestly, I need to see more
Dommage,
spots
j'en
out here.
serais
I haven't
plutôt.
found the perfect ones, but yeah. What about you?
I have this one spot in Arcadia. It's a Savers in Arcadia that
Okay.
my best friend and I like to go to because it's also close to our favorite ramen shop.
Okay, so you just make a day out of it.
Exactly.
Okay,
Super
fun,
fun. And if you have clothes to donate, you get like 20% off.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, you'll have to show me some.
Okay. After we watch Master of None.
Yeah, and make ramen.
Yes. Busy day.
Yeah.
There's a lot to do.
Yeah. We'll have to.
Eh, il va bien. Hein.
Okay. What are you? Is there something you're most looking forward to this year?
Honestly, just getting to I make like jewelry and I sew
No
and stuff.
way.
So honestly, I'm just trying to find more time like in my day to just focus on that. And I'm a little bit newer to LA, so meeting new people and stuff
Oh,
is
yeah.
always fun.
Did you make any of the stuff you're wearing?
I made this not from like scratch, but just like put it together type
That's
of
so
thing.
cool.
I have this weird thing where I don't like to wear a lot of the jewelry I made because I'm just scared of losing it and whatever.
Mhm. I want to get more rings, so if
I
you're
can
looking,
make you some.
that would be perfect. Yeah. Do you take commissions or?
Yeah, I mean now.
Bien, on va, ils vont aller en deuxième date dans le bon.
Yeah, the date was
No,
really
that's
fun.
fair.
We got like a few minutes to talk before, and it never felt like there was really like an awkward moment. We got into some more personal things, so that was really cool. We were both talking about like trying to be more vulnerable and like open to connection, and I feel like we're both in similar places with that.
So are you saying yes or no?
I am saying yes.
That's
Where do
what
you
I
think
do.
his head is at?
I hope he says yes. I think he will. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we're gonna find out.
Pas les rousses,
So if it's a
respect.
yes, he will join you on the stage, and if not, we will go from there.
Ramène tes fesses, ça sera de faire du suspense.
Hey. Good to see you.
Josh, how are you feeling?
Really good. We hit it off really well.
Yeah.
And we've been talking. We've been texting a little bit.
Yeah.
I sent her like a little tic-tac-toe thing.
Yeah, I liked that. That was cute.
Okay. Your note was really cute too.
Thank you. Thank you. I tried.
Psst.
La fin?
Want to know a secret? We're currently casting for season 2 right now.
Yes, but it's fine. It's
Will,
fine.
Il reste
Laura.
clear. So my burning question to you
rouge, hein.
was, if you're in a food fight, what would be your ideal food of choice?
That's a great question. I feel like the best option would be like a pie with a lot of whipped cream on
Right,
it.
okay.
Just from like TV shows and whatnot, that just seems to be the best route.
Right, I feel like that's an overrated answer in my opinion. I'm
Okay.
sorry, but I think that an underrated one is mashed potatoes. Like I feel like if you get some like solid mashed
Ça, c'est
potatoes,
question
really
de
good, pull it
streamer,
up
là.
and just
See, that was my initial thought, but then I think that when you throw it, it might not be a consecutive like
Right.
toss. I feel like it would go kind of everywhere,
Yeah,
not hit your target.
you're right,
A
actually.
pie though, there's a bit of direction.
I'm thinking like, cause I'm thinking range, like I'm thinking dodgeball, you know, like
How far
cross.
can you throw mashed potatoes though? Have you done
I've
that?
never tried. I've never tried
I feel
personally.
like you can throw a pie way further.
You
There's
think?
a little bit more structure to it. Mashed
Right.
potatoes is just like, I feel like it could just fall right in front of you.
Maybe I make some pretty poor mashed potatoes if they're clumped like that. But
Ok,
you know,
mais
you
demande-lui
might
de
as
faire
well
un
use an actual
360 là. Je sais pas, moi, mon gars.
Right, I
wesh.
guess. So if we're in a food fight, I'm gonna avoid you by any chance.
You're
Yeah.
gonna get pied, basically.
Okay.
Sounds like.
Yeah.
What is a fun fact about you?
Fun fact. A fun fact. I'm ambidextrous.
Really?
And then I'm left-footed, so I write with my right, and then I hoop with my left on my shooters. No.
Can you write with your left hand though?
I cannot. No, it's like
Is
kind
that
of an interesting.
ambidextrous?
I mean, I call it ambidextrous, but
I guess it counts. I can feel like I'm like right hand, right foot.
it's just straight down the middle. I try and use all of my limbs, considering I have 4. But
Makes sense. I feel like the left side of my body is like kind of useless. It can't do very much.
I mean, it's like a.
it's like not very
It like
competent.
chills, you know. You can relax with your left, and then I don't know, be
Yeah.
active with your right. I
See,
guess.
but that
Ils
kind
vont
of
se faire
caused
voler,
the
j'ai
whole like
l'impression.
shoulder tendonitis in the left
Il y
side.
a quelqu'un qui va
I
venir
didn't
péter
chill
quelque chose. Hein.
Yeah.
Bring
Là,
it
la
up.
tonge.
It's fine. It's fine.
So I have this question: if you are going to someone's place, like at a house party or something like that, would
Ouais.
you ring the
Ouais,
doorbell
ouais, y a
or would you
quelqu'un qui
just
arrive,
text
là.
that you're out front?
Is it a house party specifically,
Là,
or
qui
is it
arrive en
just when
méchant.
you're
Ouais, je pensais bien. Hein. Elle a l'air saoulée, hein. Ah ouais, la non, il a mis oui. Ah ouais, il revient.
Y'all look like y'all were vibing, but you know, I'm gonna have to do something real quick. I hate to do this to you.
You can't do that.
Ah bon. Ah mais en plus, t'as pas le droit. Elle a raison, t'as pas le droit. Ça, c'est de l'insolence. Non, il est venu mettre du jus dans la vidéo. En tout cas, ça, c'est bien. Merci.
I hate to do this to you.
You can't do that.
Mais il va swap avec qui? La caméraman? Can he do that? Is this allowed?
Are you okay? Is this fine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wasn't
Il allait chercher dans l'homme. Ah bon?
You're lying.
Bah, je dois voir quel baby il a ramené. Alors là, tout ça.
Welcome back to Swipe.
Do you have anyone else from the audience that you want to Do you have anyone else from the audience that you want to Okay, I'll let you do it. I'll let you do it.
Mais on l'a déjà vue, elle.
Emma, are you okay? Is this fine?
On l'a déjà vue, elle. Je me rappelle très bien de son visage. Et très mignonne. Franchement, respect. Bon, après, est-ce que ça valait tout ce tintamarre?
Expecting to be on camera at all today.
En vrai, ouais, un peu. J'ai la vision, je vois ce qu'il veut dire. Je vois ce qu'il veut dire. Je vois où il va avec son football. Je vois très bien, je vois très bien. Ça, c'est le genre de femme amourette dans les livres, ça. Ça, c'est les histoires d'amour des livres. C'est les femmes des livres.
Wasn't prepared. Okay. I was definitely not expecting to be on camera at all today.
This love note is for you.
I was on Nectar House with the person behind the camera.
This was like my first official day like on set, working, doing socials. Yeah.
I've already introduced myself.
Yes.
Carter.
Hello, Carter. I'm Emma.
Very nice to meet
Je vois très bien ce qu'il veut dire en fait, mais wesh, il a un œil d'aigle. De tout là-bas, il l'a vu. Non, shout out à lui. Non, shout out à lui. Hein.
Yeah.
Did you know about her beforehand? Like, kind of give me the whole backstory here.
Yeah, so I didn't know about her beforehand. You know, around and about today, I was keeping my eyes open, and I was like, who is this? It's cute. Like, she's got the little bangs going, got the little Nirvana tee on, so I'm like, okay. How are you feeling right now? I know I put you on the spot.
I'm like, ugh.
Yeah.
But that's okay. I just wasn't prepared.
Ah bon, il a répondu Grok au final.
Going for it, so.
I see what I want, and I go after it, you know?
Fair enough.
But I want to hear a little bit about you. Hope we can use a little bit of this time to get a glimpse of one another.
Yeah.
Who we are. How do you feel your days?
My day today?
How do you feel?
Bastille, tu te fous de ma gueule. Non, là, par contre, non, là, c'est pas bien. Non, c'est pas bien. Non, là, c'est pas bien. Alors, là. Non, là, t'abuses du style... non, là, t'abuses. Désolé. Wesh. Non, le kill, il est allé le chercher au bout du bout, là-bas, là. Il la ramène sur le terrain pour que quelqu'un d'autre vienne prendre après.
My day today?
L'autre, elle est tellement heureuse. Elle jubile tellement, frère. Ah, depuis le début de la vidéo, elle n'avait pas souri comme ça. Hein. Ah oui, bah ouais. Quoi, tu rigoles? Y a quoi de drôle? Non, il faut avoir au moins un peu de fair play entre hommes, un peu de fair play financier, voilà le terme dans le chat. Un peu quand même, wesh. La team. Non, tu peux pas faire ça comme ça. Il y a des manières. Je veux bien un style, mais il y a des manières. Non. Ah, mais ma gueule, je te check pas.
We were back there for a while doing just interviews and stuff, and we just like clicked with conversation.
Elle fait des interviews, c'est son job de faire de la conversation. Qu'est-ce que tu me parles de we clicked, je sais pas quoi. Si toi tu voulais, il fallait faire le play. C'est toi qu'il fallait soit plus style, plus mes couilles au dernier épisode là. Non. Je ne peux pas suivre l'instru. Je ne peux pas suivre l'instru.
Who would have thought?
I'm like...
Oh my god, are you okay?
Yes.
Pourquoi il a un serré contact de quoi?
We clicked with conversation. Who would have thought?
Il regardait qui? Il regarde qui, là? C'est elle qui... C'est elle, là, celle qui sourit comme ça, là, c'est elle. Ah ah! Ah ouais! Attends, je vais regarder toute l'action.
Interviews and stuff. And we were back there for a while doing just interviews and stuff. And we just like clicked with conversation. Who would have thought?
I'm like...
Oh my god, are you okay?
Yes.
What are you?
No,
like, you're good with it?
I'm good.
Okay, I just want to make sure that you're
rolling
cool
with it. We're rolling with it.
Elle va prendre la place du gars. Mais je dis pas qu'elle va prendre la place du gars. Ah non? Ah ouais! Ce bâtard, il va être récompensé pour son play en plus. Ça me dégoûte. Ça me dégoûte. Cet enculé, il va être récompensé pour son play. Ça me... Ah! Ah, ça me fait chier. L'autre, il a ramené la baby jusque-là pour rien au final.
How you feeling?
Il va finir avec elle, en plus. Il va finir avec ma meuf. Aïe, aïe, aïe.
Good.
Let's make up quickly.
I don't know. I wanted to talk to somebody, and he seemed interesting. He's very sweet. Cool. What's
Parce qu'elle voulait parler à quelqu'un. Mais elle, c'est une streameuse Twitch. Attends, il faut que je ressorte son Insta. C'est une streameuse Twitch, j'en suis sûr. En plus, elle a la même énergie que la meuf à qui je pense. Tu sais, c'est des meufs se ressemblent et ont la même énergie. Nuage, bouge. IRL in Japan. Non, c'est pas elle que je pense. Hein. C'est pas elle du tout. Nuage. Non, c'est pas elle que je pense. Allez, Nuage, va, sors. Allez, sors. Allez.
the worst thing about you?
Holy shit. Sometimes I could be like to myself too much.
Don't give me the PR answer.
No, that's serious.
Because I'm the same way, but I want to know, like,
I hear
what's
you.
something you're not going to tell someone?
Bah, je vais pas te le dire.
I'd probably say the worst thing about me is I drive a
Si, c'est
Prius.
elle. Non, mais je vois bien que c'est elle. C'était dans sa bio Instagram que j'ai sorti sa chaîne Twitch. Mais c'est pas la meuf à laquelle je pensais de base. En gros.
It's not bad. I get a lot of shit.
On te baise. Merci, mon N-word. Merci, mon N-word, de lui prendre cette jeune rousse.
What was your name again?
I'm Justin.
Justin?
I'm Justin, yeah, sorry.
Sophia, nice
I
to
was
meet
gonna
you.
Ah, après, il a la barbe tatouage. La barbe tatouage.
let you guys have the date.
Casquette plate à l'envers.
Once he said Prius, I was
Casquette plate à l'envers.
like, come on.
Well, what do you drive?
What?
What do you drive?
A Prius. I'm just kidding. No, I drive a Ford Explorer. It's like a Ford. It's a.
La honte. Elle va récupérer l'autre qui vient de partir. Pas une boom. Là, je l'ai pas sur mon. J'ai pas mon soundboard activé. Waouh. Regarde la réaction des Renois. Tous plus choqués les uns que les autres. Hein. Les trois là, les quatre là même, tous plus choqués les uns que les autres. Hein. Il retourne s'asseoir. Oh là là, le walk of shame. Pendant qu'il marche de... Ils ont coupé, hein. Pendant qu'il marche de là jusqu'à sa place. Mais waouh. Ouais, c'est bon, abusé. Ah là, j'ai la flemme de commenter. Là. Ah, j'ai la flemme de commenter. Là.
Allow me to introduce myself, Pauline. I know we
Yeah, how much time do we have?
We have 20 seconds.
20 seconds?
Okay.
Let's let them talk, okay?
Yeah.
20 seconds.
20 seconds. You have a free Saturday. What are you doing from the moment you wake up till you go to bed?
Okay, this is a good one. Wake up, have the best breakfast. I always eat frittatas in the
Okay,
morning.
okay.
A glass of milk. I don't know if that's
Pourquoi
good or bad.
frittatas? Milk,
okay.
Yeah. And then, honestly, I'd love a beach day.
Beach day.
Relaxation on the
Okay.
weekend is my
Green flag, love a beach day.
Honestly, what I've been planning for a Saturday is a trip down to San Diego.
Oh,
So
well, I live in San Diego,
that's what I'm
so
saying,
I think we might have to do that.
I'm down for that.
Okay.
All right.
Mais qui va finir avec qui? Qui peut finir avec qui déjà là? Il y en a eu 7.
Will, this is not your first time on
It is
Swipe or
not.
Swap.
I was blessed to get another opportunity. I went 0 for 3 last time, so
So you matched in round 1.
yes.
What about her kind of caught your eye?
I just thought she was beautiful. She was also on the last one. I was intimidated by her the first time. You know, it just seemed like fate. Like I just got to go and take that.
C'est
Would you
chill
say yes
guy.
or no to a second date?
I would say yes.
Non, c'est stylé ça.
I hope that she feels the same way as I do. and
Non, eux deux ils vont
maybe
finir
she will say
ensemble.
yes.
Okay, so we're gonna find out. So she says
Le
yes.
gars juste après là
She'll
qui a
join you on the
stylé
stage.
Swap, j'espère qu'il va avoir
And
sa
if not,
chance avec
we'll go
Emma,
from there.
Miskin.
Second time's the
5
charm.
secondes avec elle, il a fait, frère. Elle vient hop. Bien. Ah si. Je pensais bien, je pensais bien.
This is kind of a redemption for both of you.
It is.
His shirt off was kind of interesting. I just remember him from the previous season, and I just remember really liking his outfit, and he seemed like he had a nice personality, so I was just interested to get to know him a little more.
What would a first date look like for you guys?
Oh, that's a good question. We didn't really. I would say we would go to the beach. We would
I like
get some
that.
tacos or something like that.
That's solid.
I could whip out my nicest Speedo, you know, like go for a swim, you know. Considering you like
Appreciate
my
it.
outfits, that's probably the best one I have, so.
Yeah, appreciate that.
You gotta know.
Are you a parking ticket? Because you got kind written all over you. You with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 views. From Will.
Cute.
So would you
Pour
say
la
yes or no to a
page,
second date?
c'est à Los Angeles.
Yes.
Hein.
Where do you think her head is at?
J'espère que lui mange au moins un tout petit peu.
She was not expecting any of this, you know, so I'm not expecting a whole lot. But I mean, if she wants to make it interesting, she might say yeah.
So if she says yes, she'll join you on the stage.
Yeah.
Emma? Emma? Que l'histoire d'amour des livres existe vraiment, Emma.
Okay, so I have to tell you, she did say no.
Just because I feel like it's not the right context for me for it. There's so many beautiful girls here that like are here to do this. I was not today. So, you know.
Are you like normally the type of person to shoot your shot like that?
Respectable,
feel
hein.
like-
Mentalité de
So I've
princesse,
been
hein.
using,
C'est un
like,
peu dur d'aller
basketball
chercher
terms,
ça,
I'm
mon
the type
gars.
of person who will like miss layups all the time, but like
Rate des
will,
layups.
like randomly I hit like a half court shot. This is insane. Let me go for it. Of course, this is not gonna work out, but sometimes it does. It was fun that we get to do it.
Ouais,
She
il a
was
dit, il a
good
tenté.
sport about it, so.
Respectable.
So, out of all 3 girls, I officially chose Colleen to be my option for a second date.
So we're gonna find out if she said yes or no.
Okay.
So hang tight.
All right.
Le moins bon des 3. La sécurité, j'ai l'impression, hein, parce qu'elle est... Ouais, elle voulait de ouf. Hein.
Long time no see. How are you?
Mais non,
So you guys had
non,
a 20-second date.
I know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty short.
Yeah. It was good though. Like that's the one part I remember from all that chaos.
Yeah.
It really was because she stuck out to me from the first time I saw her when we were looping around, and then she stole, and that was that.
Yeah, also eye contact I feel like is big.
Yeah.
And he had good eye contact and he was pretty approachable, so yeah.
I think we could do that San Diego trip. I know you live down there, right?
Yeah.
I really want to just.
La
be on
deuxième,
the
j'ai envie
beach
de voir
in
ce qu'elle a
San
dit, là, à Sophia, là.
I'll
So,
show you around.
That sounds like a plan to me.
Are there any cast members that you're
on va pas
into?
voir.
Search them up now on the
Ah ouais, mais elle a vraiment la démarche et tout, hein. C'est un vrai mannequin.
So, out the gate, I just got the simplest question.
Okay.
What are your simple pleasures?
Ugh, my simple pleasures.
Yeah.
Millie Novak. Un mannequin. Sûr. Rep Clear Talent Group. Casting Network. Ah ouais, c'était sûr, ouais. T'as le but,
I
hein.
love my couch and my TV.
Okay.
I
What
could
do we
sit there
watch?
for hours. Oh, I watch everything.
Okay.
I watch Nectar. I watch.
Shout out?
Yeah.
The shout out is crazy, but okay.
It really depends. Like sometimes I'm on like trashy reality TV. Sometimes I'm watching like really intense crime documentaries. I love to dance. I'm a professional dancer, so I love eating. I love hanging out with my friends. I don't know. There's a lot of simple pleasures in life.
I mean,
what
look.
about you?
I think mine boil down to I love cooking for one. That's like one of those things where it's like you can't not, have that control of your kitchen, right? Second is I love a Trader Joe's run. Going to the snack section there, amazing, top tier. Lastly is exploring. Like I've lived in so many different cities. I'm really big on just going on a walk, go see what you find, and especially like when you find a really good thrift store, like going through, seeing what you find about the history of that city, like just a different vibe. So
You said you lived in New York, right?
yeah, I did.
Yeah, so I'm from Hoboken, New Jersey. We
Yep, we
went
talked
over
about it.
this.
We talked about it. Yeah.
What neighborhood did you live in?
So I lived in Upper Manhattan and I've lived in the Bronx.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool.
Fun fact: I actually learned how to salsa dance in the Bronx.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
No. So.
That's like the one style of dance I don't know how to do yet.
Okay, so
I
we're.
can fake it, but yeah, we can.
So
go
we're
to
so
the
we're gonna work that
club,
out.
Work it out.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
I went to high school like in the East Village.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm very familiar with New York.
What's
Yeah.
your favorite place that you've visited?
So in November, I actually went to Amsterdam and I did like a 3-week dance intensive there, and it
Okay.
was so amazing. I love like the dancing. I feel like I have a lot of travel opportunities with dance. Like I want to see the whole world with it. I want to like go on tour. I would only live in LA because like I would only live in LA or New York because of my dance.
Désolé, je
That's
suis en
the
train de
reason.
retourner des messages importants.
Oh, we can go to New York. Like, why not? I'll take you to my spot. I definitely am a city girl. Yeah.
So what part makes you a city girl though? Like,
J'aime bien son énergie à elle.
out or is it
Mais
just the vibes of
genre,
the city?
Everything,
Pas
like,
pour moi.
like city girls up, also like just being a city girl in general. Like I'm just
First of all.
fast-paced. No, but I just like experiencing new things. I like going on new adventures. I like how you can meet so many people. Like this is so random, but like it's so nice to like. be able to-
100%.
Yeah.
For sure. Okay. Well, I mean, that's not the worst of the worst. I mean, even though New York doubling down on it is crazy still, though. New York is so much. It's so fast paced all the time. Though.
Yeah, it takes a certain type of person. That's why I feel like
100%.
New Yorkers are like, they can do anything.
Ils m'ont pas donné la vibe.
I would say yes to another date because between her being a professional dancer and me being a professional rugby player, I feel like our stories in the house would be hilarious. But we definitely have to clarify the city girls thing. So I'm like, she's gonna have to tell me what she really means.
Where do you think her head is at?
For all intents and purposes, I would probably say yeah. Can I say hi to my mom? And I was like, hi, Mom.
Oh!
Hello, hello. Nice to see you too. Can't believe you made it.
I feel good. I feel like we had a nice date. It's definitely a nerve-wracking situation, so I felt lucky that, he made it comfortable and fun for me.
They wanted to know what your answer to the city girl thing was because we all gotta know.
Well, I'm like from a city. I love the city, and honestly, city girls are up.
En vrai, je l'aime de plus en plus je regarde. Je respecte là. The downfall.
Hello again.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you. How are you?
I'm good. I didn't realize how shiny your boots were before.
Yeah, they're pretty shiny.
Yeah.
What would you say if I polished them?
I went to a military school, so I used to polish my shoes.
Oh, did you really?
Sadly,
Yeah.
it was not fun.
How old were you when you went there?
18 when I got there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it was a junior college.
Okay.
Yeah, I had to shave my head and everything. It wasn't great.
Oh, your hair looks great.
Thank you.
I'm so serious.
Nobody goes bowling.
So serious. You do.
I do. That's what I'm saying. I know nobody goes bowling because I bowl.
No, yeah. No, we can lock that in.
You don't want that smoke.
I absolutely do. All of it.
I promise.
En vrai.
No, I'm competitive. We can run.
Non, j'avais dit tout à l'heure, elle était mignonne. C'est vrai qu'elle est mignonne. Et comparé au bag qu'il avait à l'ancienne émission.
What's your best score?
204.
276. Big dog.
Okay.
Big dog.
Okay. I can still top that though.
Top what? 205?
I'm gonna get there. Yeah, 205.
205?
Let me get up there. Let me get up there. We gonna make that happen.
Pool, you might get me. I'm not the. I'm all right. I'm not
like
great.
playing pool.
I failed geometry.
You want me to show you? Want me to put my arms around you and hold this stick?
I'm gonna pass on that. I'm gonna pass on that one.
I'm totally joking.
I'm gonna pass on that one.
Yeah.
I don't think you were. Do you have any pet peeves?
Maybe lying.
I feel
So
like
why not just be
nobody-
honest?
I like lying.
You like lying? I ain't even mad at you.
But I don't tell like big lies. I just tell like more like I'll just come up with like a random fact that's not true and like make you believe it.
Okay.
Because I know a lot of random facts too.
Okay.
So
What year did Kobe Bryant die?
I don't know.
2017. 2017 2017 2020.
You don't know?
No.
2020.
Oh.
January. I got
Hey,
the same.
Hooper.
I got the same
When
birthday
did Kobe die?
as Gigi Bryant.
You had it. I knew you had
We
it.
don't need all of them. It's me and you.
I just had to confirm. I had to
Mmh.
confirm because you said you were lying too.
It's me and you. It's me and you. We're right here. We right here.
Are you on
But the
time?
thing is, also though, you didn't ask me if I lied. I don't really like to lie. Why not be honest?
Are you an on time
Mmh.
person or
Yeah.
you like late to things?
I mean, I like punctuality. I feel like I'd rather be on time, but there's definitely been times, you know what I'm saying? Fashionably late.
So are you saying yes or no to a first date?
I would say yes. Why not? You never know what happens.
Une meuf de
I
New
don't know,
York,
At the end of
elle.
the day, this is just a side quest. I'm having fun, so we'll see what happens. You know.
Side quest, hein. Ça a fait peur.
Okay, so I have to tell you he did say no.
Ouais, ça lui a fait peur, hein.
I think after our date, I was more so getting like a friendly or like a like homegirl type of vibe from her.
Does that catch you by surprise at all?
Not really, because I feel like there's a fine line between like flirting romantically and also just like homie vibes. I think that we did have overall good conversation, so I lied a little bit. I think, yes, it's a little bit surprising, but at the same time, like, it is what it is. What are you gonna do? Tomorrow's a brand new day, so.
That's funny because you guys did talk about lying on your date.
Right, we did.
So now we're seeing that. And
Ouais, c'est le premier match qu'il y avait eu.
Likewise.
How are you?
Mais c'est même pas des Air Force, c'est des Stan Smith avec l'arrière doré. Oh,
Great, Nicole. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic, actually.
I'm glad. So, okay, I want to know a bit about you. Middle Eastern, I suppose.
Yes,
Elles sont
from
sales en
Jordan.
plus, j'ai l'impression.
Okay. Do you speak Arabic?
I speak Arabic fluently. I can read and write. My mom's actually an Arabic teacher. And I lived there for a year when I was in second grade, just to learn how to read and write and everything.
Impressive.
And
Okay.
yeah, I mean, we speak it at home, so it's really good to keep up with it as well. I feel like I feel really sad when people don't know their native language.
That's
as
very
well.
true.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I'm Venezuelan Italian.
Oh,
So I
okay.
grew up
Spicy.
speaking Spanish
Mhm.
and Italian at home. Okay.
I have a question for you.
Yeah.
What is something that you're passionate about that not a lot of people know about?
Personal development.
Quelque chose qui me passionne et que les gens ne connaissent pas réellement. Ah, et il a dit développement personnel. Ouh là 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 là. Là 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 là. Ouh là là là.
I don't read fiction much, but I read Atomic Habits, Rich
That's a
Dad,
good
Poor
one.
Dad, all of those.
Makes sense. I think reading is really important. I do read some fiction. I think some is
What type of
cute.
fiction?
I like murder mysteries. I think they're
Okay.
really fun.
I've never said that before. That's crazy. But
That's awesome.
So clearly you care about your style. I really like your outfit.
Thank you.
How
Appreciate
prepared
it.
do you think you would be for like any outing? Do you think you just kind of on the fly make an outfit, or do you like take the time to prepare? Do you think?
I think I'm confident in my closet to make an outfit on the fly.
Okay.
I have a few
that's
staple
really good.
pieces, so I can do that. How about
Okay,
you?
okay.
I like your dress.
Thank you so
Beautiful
much.
dress.
Il allait dire j'aime bien ton outfit, il a regardé la paire. Je l'ai vu, hein. Je l'ai vu le petit regard sur la paire, hein. Je l'ai vu, hein, et il s'est retenu, hein. Je l'ai vu, hein.
On the fly.
Okay.
I have a few
that's
staple
really good.
pieces, so I can do that. How about
Okay,
you?
okay.
I like your dress.
Thank you so
Beautiful
much.
dress.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I also am the same way. I'm confident in my style, you're right?
Okay.
I think whatever flows. I wear the clothes, not the clothes wear me, you know what I
True.
mean?
It's very true. Yeah.
Oui, mais mademoiselle,
What's
la
your passion?
paire.
My passion in life?
Yeah.
That's a great question. I think I have a few. I think balance is definitely my
Balance.
go-to, yes. Like I'm very passionate about having a good work, social, active, like, you know, best of all the worlds, if that makes sense.
Were you an
So-
overachiever growing up?
100%.
The bar
Not
was really
like
high?
not like brown noser, but in a way I wanted to prove to myself that I could be the best.
Exactly.
If that makes
I
sense.
agree. It's,
Yeah,
you know,
right?
it's one life.
Yeah.
Why not try and learn as much as possible and try and be good at everything?
Yeah.
And what do you do? Like, what are you balancing right now?
So right now I'm doing school. I want to do law, and I'm also working at this place called Box House. It's a boxing studio, and I think it's really that's what got me into boxing, honestly, in
Yeah.
the first place. But I really
So
like
cool.
tennis as well. Yeah, boxing. I think
So
you
you're
should
a
try
badass.
it.
Good.
Basically, like, sorry, thank you.
So I'm glad that you're
T'as du
studying
pétard là,
law.
ça s'agite, hein.
So the arguments are going to be really
Ça s'agite, ces les gars, là.
Otherwise, I mean, I guess you can throw hands.
Honestly, I hope it doesn't come to that, but I think it's really important, you know, like, just to
No?
be confident in yourself, you know.
Totally.
Yeah, for sure. What's been, oh, you know,
Alors,
So would you
mademoiselle,
say yes or
à sa place, j'aurais dit non.
Yes, I'd say yeah. I'd say I would. I think
Il
things
fait peur,
went well,
il est bizarre.
But I don't know.
L'énergie,
Part of me feels
ah.
like maybe there's no second date. I gave her a really cheesy. So okay, because it's Valentine's Day, we got the chance to write a note to either our match or someone else.
Can't wait to get lost in your eyes some more after this. To my girl Nicole, will you be my habibi this Valentine's? Anthony, text me.
Will you be my habibi for Valentine's, il lui a dit.
Cheesy note that I think killed it.
Ça va venir, hein. Ça va venir. Hein. Tu sais qu'elle est là, là.
Okay, so I do have to tell you she said
Ok.
no. But it sounds
Elle-même,
like
elle a senti. Elle a senti la balle arriver, elle est pas conne.
Honestly, though.
Bien
Yeah.
vu.
Yeah,
Bien
it is
vu à
what it
elle.
is. You win some, you lose some.
It was a little surface level. I feel like when I was talking to him in the corner, I got more from him than I did on the actual date. And I don't know, that kind of like rubs me the wrong way. But like he's a cool guy, honestly. Like I would hang out with him as friends for sure. Yeah.
End zone.
Hello. Missed you.
Always.
Du coup, elle a des dents.
Okay, do you have any questions or do you want me to start first?
Ladies first.
Okay. If you were to be a crayon in a box, what color would you be and why? Why are you guys laughing?
Hmm. Hmm. Il y a un nouveau clip de Drake, jure. Mettez le lien dans le chat, j'arrive.
That's crazy.
I'm gonna say brown.
Brown. You know what?
PLM, c'est pour ça qu'ils applaudissent là?
So besides me, what are you most passionate about?
You're my number one, always.
Il a dit, sauf moi, qu'est-ce qui te passionne le plus dans la vie? C'est ça?
Me, what are you most
À part moi, qu'est-ce qui te passionne le plus?
You're my number one, always. Okay. I'm very big into fashion. I went to
Okay.
school for fashion merchandising. I'm like a color analysis consultant, so if you need help picking an outfit for a first date, I can help you with that,
Okay,
you
what
know?
would you change?
Honestly, I wouldn't change anything because I would love and accept you for who you are. I have a would you rather question.
Sure.
Okay. Would you rather have a son who is like a wear my hug out type of guy? Or would you rather have a daughter who's the type to be like, he knows where home is at? This will be very tough.
Même chose, non?
Son.
Son?
Son.
Okay.
Easily.
Why?
Like saying you know where home is, like that's not enough self-worth, self-respect for yourself. Like,
I agree.
yeah, giving a hug, no problem. We all have to go through the
Yeah,
come
I
up,
feel like
you
it's a
know?
phase
like,
that you
yeah,
can
like
outgrow.
you don't always start like this. You got to
Yeah.
start at the bottom.
That's true. Like even regardless of whether it's like a son or a daughter, if any child of mine is like they know where home is at, as a parent, I feel like I would fail.
So our kids are gonna be well behaved.
Oh yeah.
Cautious.
They're gonna be coming from a loving family.
Loving
I would hope so.
For sure.
Yeah.
Ouais, que l'un des deux style ou swap. Oh là là, c'est grave. Aïe, aïe, aïe. Bon, en vrai, c'est pas comme s'il avait une puff avec lui. Hein. Non, je suis lui, je vois ça arriver, j'ai le seum de ouf. À peine elle se pose, je prends la swap là et vas-y, je prends une petite.
What's your name?
Tyler.
Nice to meet you. I'm Tammy Laura.
Tammy Laura.
Yes.
I said that right?
Yes, I'm surprised.
For sure.
I just, I just had to interrupt because I was like, I gotta add some spice to the conversation, you know?
Type shit.
So, what is the first thing you notice about someone that you're attracted to, would you say?
Eyes. Yeah, usually it's like, I can tell whether we're connected in our eyes or not, how we looking at each other.
Okay.
So,
how are you feeling with
I
the
don't know.
eyes?
You gotta open your eyes more.
I gotta open my eyes. My eyes are pretty open. I think you need to open your eyes a little bit.
You came up here.
You're right. I did.
So your eyes must work pretty good, right?
They do. They do.
Right? So what's the first thing you notice about me since you came up
I really like your style.
type shit?
I like it a lot. Tattoos, yes.
Right?
Not me, like literally. Okay. Okay.
It's okay. I like
You
what
like my
got
fit?
going on.
You have like the whole.
I do. I like the heels.
All black.
I like
yeah.
the all black. Everything's.
Thank you. Thank you. I was like, you know what? You can't go wrong with like an all black fit.
Never.
Elle me fait chier.
We can.
Elle me fait chier.
Is a fear that you used to have but you don't have anymore?
Failure.
Failure.
I'm not afraid to fail no more. I'm not afraid to like, take that life like in stride. Like you're gonna fall, just get back up, dust yourself off, and keep going. I'm not afraid of failure.
Okay, I like that.
Where are you from?
So I'm from Maryland. I grew up in Maryland.
Awesome.
Moved out here about 4 years ago. Went to USC and now I'm working.
USC. Okay. What you go to school for?
So I went to school for communications and I also studied some cinematic art studies. So I'm really into like film, TV, all of that jazz.
On va choisir la première, je pense. Hein. Ou même aucune.
So
Hein.
it's great to like have that
Ou
confidence
même
when
aucune.
someone
Hein.
wants to steal you, but I think also just having a little bit of decorum. I think he thought I was gonna squirm a little bit, but I held my own and I know my worth and that's important.
So to clarify, you were
Qu'est-ce que tu
saying no
racontes?
to a second date.
Absolutely no, to no, yes.
I would like to think it went pretty well. The conversation was fairly easy, and that's something that I look for in a potential partner, I would say.
So would you say yes or no to a second date?
I would say yes to a second date.
Where do you think his head's at?
I honestly don't know, because it seemed as if the second half, their conversation also seemed like it flowed easily. So I don't know.
Il veut aucun des deux? Ah non, il est là, ok.
Hello. Good, how are you?
See you again.
Yep, missed you.
Good.
Tyler, how are you feeling?
I'm good. I'm happy to be here.
GG, hein?
Very
Were
much so.
you expecting her to say yes?
No, I wasn't. I'm completely honest.
Really?
Not at all.
So Tyler, your date got interrupted.
It did.
What was going through your head when that steal happened?
Like right when she stood up, I said, "Come back," but you can't really. It was like I wasn't trying to be so like obvious that it kind of cut everything off, but
I missed it.
Yeah,
unfortunately.
it's okay. So we'll probably end up in the OC at Din Tai Fung because it's a go-to.
Okay.
The beaches are never a miss.
Also good.
And then like a sunset on the beach. It's gonna be cold, so you know, body warmth is always good. But yeah,
good.
I think a nice beach day, some just relax, just to get to know each other for a little.
Yeah, I'm down.
La Chisme, elle a pas de date, elle, là?
Welcome to round 3, pick
Il y a un
or
troisième
pitch.
round.
This round is for all of the singles that have not had the chance to sit in these chairs yet. Any contestant can pick anyone from the group behind them to join them for a 2-minute speed date. However, if the contestant does not have anyone in particular in mind, they can instead pitch themselves to the group for 30 seconds. Once that pitch is done, anyone interested can take a seat in the chair, and the 2-minute speed date begins.
Oh,
Pretty
ok, ouais.
fun. I don't. Okay. Yes.
Tu veux mettre un
Round
petit
3
exemple?
Starts right now.
What's up? My name is Cassian. I'm 24 years old. I like to write scripts.
Ah, t'es là, en plus, tu dois le vendre pour les petites. Oh là là, non, je pense pas que mon ego puisse tenir ça. Je pense pas. Hein.
Songs,
Aïe, aïe, aïe,
skits. I am also kind of a nerd, so I like Marvel, Star Wars, and I'm a big DC fan. So, yeah, less than 30 seconds. So there you go.
C'est un nerd un peu. Il y a des meufs qui kiffent.
All right. If any of you ladies would like to go on a speed date, now is the chance.
Il applaudit tout seul. Personne n'a suivi dans les applaudissements, là? Non. 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 Ah. Zélia, merci vraiment pour le prime. Non, c'est dur. Le clip de Drake,